Konnichiwa. Welcome to Campanas Japanese. I'm May. In this video, we are going to learn how to write ka hiragana character. Campanas Japanese. So, ka. This character consists of 3 strokes. As I mentioned in the overview video, Japanese strokes always start from left to right or top to bottom. The first stroke is this one. It starts from the left and goes to the right, then it curves downwards. And finally, you make a hook up at the end. Remember, in hiragana, there are 3 ways to end a stroke: jump, stop, and sweep. As I showed, the first stroke ends with a jump, like this. The second stroke is this top to bottom line. It ends with a stop at the end. The last stroke is this little diagonal line. It also ends with a stop at the end. Alright, let's take another look from the first stroke. 1, 2, and 3. To practice writing hiragana characters, you can download hiragana worksheets like this on my Patreon page for free. Go to my Patreon page. The link's in the description. Alright, if you have any questions, leave me a comment. And if you like this video, please make sure to subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. じゃあねー。